Hi, this is Faisal Ishaq, and I would like to take the opportunity and looking forward to show you how document management solution is going to bring an ease and value towards your business. Now, being part of the document management system, it is imperative for you to make sure that you have to be very precise as far as your data management is concerned. At the same time, it is equally important to ensure that this data is handled in a safe and secure manner. It would preferably be well for the future perspective of the business if the security of the data management and business transaction is carried out in a fair and confidential manner. My presentation will also cover other aspects and the importance of Marketo as a tool to help the organization in enhancing their business, considering lead management, e-marketing, consumer marketing, customer base marketing, and mobile marketing. During the first phase, an orientation would be discussed that would provide an insight about the market software and the sort of value it's going to add towards the business. At the same time, it would also look at the advantages and disadvantages that the business might face. They are integrated with the solutions that are provided by Marketo. Another thing that is going to be looked at is the way the marketer is going to add additional value in terms of creation of values towards the business, especially Digitech Systems that talks about serving a very niche segment of market. Having known to the fact, Digital System is one of the largest organizations that is growing at a rapid pace in Australia. And as the operations are expanding, the data needs of the organization as well as the way of information management is carried out is also required to improve. In order to make sure that all these aspects are taken care of, the data management has to be very precise on your part. At the moment, even though most of the businesses that are operating in Australia are facing this problem regarding document management, they are also not really sure about what are some of the prospective solutions providers in this regards. Most of the companies do not really know where they can go and pitch themselves in the right manner. In this regards, Marketo is providing an app solution that would make sure that some of the problems that they are facing in this regards, especially marketing efforts, are being taken care of. Gone are the days in which myopic marketing techniques were being used. These days, with the advent of new touchpoint with the customers, it has become imperative for the organizations, especially Digitech Systems, to make sure that they use new and innovative ways through which they market their prospective solutions. What must be done in that with the tools and the services that we are offering? Creation of an integrated marketing plan is going to be very easy as the diverse set of services that we tend to offer great insight regarding the way your corporate customers base is supposed to work. There are many aspects of Marketo that allows us to stand out as compared to some of the other run-of-the-mill marketing softwares. The account-based marketing would allow Digitech Systems to make sure that they can dedicate their time and resources to one particular account or customer that will make for better customizations as far as solutions are concerned. Then comes the more conventional marketing tools such as email and social media marketing, but Marketo seems to be more focused in its approach regarding the way they look after these tools. The marketing analytics and the web content management allows it to stand out from the rest of the marketing solution providers. In this slide, you will find a screenshot of the dashboard that the user observes while experiencing the interface of Marketo at their disposal. It can be seen that the level of details that can be witnessed here is astonishing, and it would add value for the businesses as they would want to make sure that they are efficient when it comes to their overall marketing effort. Another thing that can be witnessed from the whole dashboard is that each and every section is quantified, which provides good food for thought for the people who are more into analytical side of things. The other aspects that stands out as far as Marketo is concerned is that they are expanding their horizons all the time. The Marketing Nation Summit that is organized by them allows more or less all the stakeholders of Marketo to be on board and make sure that they network and interact with the respective people in the industry. For an organization like Digitech, some networking is going to boost their business to a great extent. In current day and age, there has to be certain level of innovation regarding the way the handling of corporate customers is supposed to be carried out. What Marketo does is that it allows the better development of the customer portfolio, which is one of the integral aspect of the way the marketing for the corporate customers is supposed to be done. It has to be noted that even though Marketo does provide solutions that can be used to tap into consumers' market, the nature of business of Digitech is such that corporate clients must be targeted. Some of the things that account based marketing does is that it tends to increase the relevance of the account. And with web based analytics providing insight about how customer insight can be gained, with the help of the account based marketing, best value can be taken out from each of the prospective customers. At the same time, it inspires customers to make sure that the creation of the compelling content can be carried out with ease. The solution that is provided by us would make sure that the touch of analytics would be added into your marketing campaign. At the same time, it is imperative for the Digitech to understand the core market that they are serving to, and our web-based analytics is going to provide an insight about what is the level of reception that campaign is doing. For instance, the web marketing interface is going to provide information about the demographics of the prospective customers, as well as hosts of other ideas that are going to allow better involvement and integration of these concepts, to say the least. The investors relations interface and marketing automation is also going to ensure that the Digitech keeps on finding new avenues for the expansion of their business. CA Technologies have long affiliation with Marketo, and they have used Marketo as the backbone of their marketing technology hub. The engagement technologies that are offered by Marketo played a huge part in their overall success, to say the least, as well as serving the diverse audience of CA Technologies. CenturyLink was another organization that was having a hard time generating their leads. And with the state of art lead generation tactics that are provided by Marketo, they were able to generate about 2,000 qualified leads for their sales team in 1 quarter. On the other hand, the challenge for Charles Schwab was entirely different, as they had to consolidate their marketing efforts, and with the enterprise class data management system provided by Marketo, they were able to lead and win attribution from their prospective customer base. The George Washington University similarly relies on the impressive efficiency goals that are provided by Marketo. What has happened is that the staff has increased their number of leads from 30,000 to more than 100,000 names in the span of 3 quarters, which is phenomenal, keeping in mind the limited scope of education sector. All in all, it is imperative for an organization like Digitech to make sure that they got to reach to as much as customers as possible so that the greater value can be added as far as their business practices and integrations are concerned. With the marketing aptitude and the scope of services that are provided by Marketo, it is imperative that the long term partnership is going to be mutually beneficial. The other aspects that has to be kept in mind is that with better integration of the mass marketing tool as well as the sales analytics that are provided to the business, the collaboration between Marketo and Digitech would allow some other avenues of business activities to grow. At the same time, with the account-based marketing, the sales and the marketing efforts of Marketo are going to be turned to be more cost-effective and target-oriented. Thank you so much and good afternoon.